I was really hoping to get this into here. Yes, I did.
Nice.
Well, guys, I'm going to say right off the bat, I apologize for the low lighting, but the engine is in. I don't have any of the plug wires on it yet, and I still got to connect everything up. I got to get a clamp for that coolant hose. It's just sitting there so I know where it was. I still got to connect the fuel lines, but first I'm going to drop the tank and flush those out really good. But the motor's in, the subframe is back in, the wheels are on, both sides. But there she is, guys. And I can't wait to start wiring everything up the rest of the way. I still got to get the starter in. I still got to get the coolant system flushed out and things like that. I got to get that bulkhead connector in the rest of the way. That's just sitting there, just to kind of plug the hole. Guys, stay tuned. There'll be more coming. And until next time, have a good one.